This video depicts the building survey process. It isn't a complete survey of this building, but enough is included to serve the purpose. By now, the building inspector will have spoken to the building engineer and the building manager and some of the occupants too. They'll have told them whether there are any leaks, and he'll know the general condition of the building. If they exist, he'll have looked at some of the construction drawings by now too. Here he's found that the window frame perimeter joints are in need of restoration. By now he has a good feel for the age of the sealant around the building and the condition of the surfaces. A careful and thorough examination is needed because this survey and the report from it will serve as the basis for the scope of work. Here he's found that the storefront perimeter joints are in need of restoration. And at the entrance here, the handrails need to be restored, painted, and the joints in the stone walls need to be repointed. And he's found too that the precast panel joints are in need of restoration. The photographs taken for the purpose of the survey will serve to establish the condition of the building and the grounds prior to the restorations project. If the contractor has caused damage to the grounds or the roof or any other portion of the building, these photographs will reveal that condition. At this corner of the building, he sees that the base joints are in need of restoration. And once again, he sees that the window frame perimeter joints have failed. You can see the adhesive failure in this joint at the bottom. The frames on the other side of the building are in a similar condition, and these show that they all are in need of restoration, and the precast surfaces need to be cleaned and waterproofed. Here at the west entrance, we discover that the stone stairs need to have their surfaces restored and the joints restored also. So the list of restoration services that are needed grows as the survey progresses. It's typical for a building of this age to need most, if not all, of these services. After the walk around is done on the ground, it'll be done again up on the roof. Here we see that there are joints between the brick panels, and they're in need of restoration. And finally, the soffits need to be painted or at least cleaned.